Songs, lovely man as well. Thank you. Thanks for all those singers tonight. Sorry we ran out of time. It's just, you know, some of us have got homes to go to. No, I have to go home. And Jill wants to do a night. She had a busy day. So, good night. God bless. Thank you. Thanks for Jack for filming everything. If you want to see, go on to Jack's YouTube site, which is Jack Fat. How do you say that second word, Jack? That third word?
Fat.
Jack Fat.
Core.
Something.
Core.
Jack Fat Core 16, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which is on YouTube.
No,
so go on that.
18.
18 now. Oh, he's had a couple of birthdays since last time, wasn't he? yeah. So please, if you can, go on that. There's thousands of videos on there. A lot of people that Jack meets and different pubs that he sings in. Go on there. Georgie's on there. Internet sensation George. We'll be doing some sort of book signing here in the next couple of years. Tony's on there. Roy's on there. Everyone. They're all on. Jackie's on there. So please, if you could. You're on there. You are? Oh, you are. Honestly, Tony. So, Tony, when you go around and fill that form in the back of your bad bag, I'll check YouTube first, my friend. It's Tony David singing whatever it is on. Jack, Tony's on there, isn't he?
Yeah.
A couple of times. So please, check it. I'll see you on Monday for a big birthday celebration and some Practice Day stuff. Have a fantastic weekend. Happy Friday the 13th, everyone. Good luck. See you soon.
See you.
See you Monday.